Still inside of the zone.php file, which is our plugin. After the last table cell, within the same table row, we create another td class ta underscore r to align the text to the right. And let's create another one straight as well. So if we copy this, paste it underneath. The first one, we're going to create the a tag with the href going for echo data object URL. We're going for get current array. We're removing action and ID. Then false for the extension, and another array to append to the URL, and we're going to be appending action codes and ID item ID. So we can close it here, and then actually put it on the new line. Then after the opening a tag, we have post codes and close the a tag. And now we can copy this entire a tag here, paste in the second row. If I scroll down, rather than href, we're going to change it to data-url. For the href, we simply put the hash. Then we also add the class attribute click add row confirm, and data URL, what we need to change here, action rather than code is going to be removed, and another attribute data-span equals 3, because we have 3 columns obviously in this table. If we now save it and go to our browser, go to the zones section, you can see our table is ready. But as you can see, obviously our postcodes column here, the postcodes word, obviously 2 words are on the separate lines, which is not quite right. And it's obviously not right because we haven't changed the label. It should be removed, no postcode. So if we go back to the editor and obviously change this this label here in the second link to simply remove, save the file, and if we go back to our browser, now refresh, you can see the link. It looks okay. So that's our file ready. Now we obviously need to add the functionality for adding new zones, then obviously manage postcodes and remove the zone altogether.